You want to compare a stock's performance relative to some popular benchmarks so that you truly know how well and badly that company has been performing relative to the markets. So for each stock here, we show you the performance numbers of their last 3 months, 1 year, 3 years, 5 years, and 10 years. And we deliberately did not choose to show you any shorter term metrics just because we want to focus on the long term here. And at the same time, we show you the performance numbers of the two most popular indices in the world, S&P 500 and MSCI World. MSCI World tracks the large and medium-sized companies from all over the world, about 23 countries and more than 1,500 companies in them. And S&P 500 tracks the 500 largest companies listed in the US, such as Apple, Amazon, Microsoft, and Facebook. So why it matters at all showing you the performance numbers of a stock and its comparison to the two most popular indices? Well, firstly, the share price doesn't lie, especially when a company does not have a very long-term share price history and then someone tells you, oh, for example, Robinhood, you need to buy Robinhood because it has been the greatest company in the world. You need to pause and think, hold on, it only just listed, so why that statement of it's the best company in the world makes sense? And if the return has up and downs in the last couple of years, such as AT&T here, again, that makes you question why AT&T is a good investment, because in the past couple of years, it hasn't been the case. And even though some companies may have produced very consistently positive returns over the long term, such as Johnson & Johnson here, but actually, when you look at this and you say, hold on, it has actually underperformed the markets. So the question is why Johnson & Johnson has underperformed the market, and are there better investment opportunities out there than Johnson & Johnson that deserves your time and efforts? So you really want to find something that has consistently outperformed the markets no matter what time frames you're looking at. So just like Microsoft here, which has outperformed the markets, both US and global indices over all the time frames you're looking at. That is the type of investment you want to spend more time on.